Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Online Cake Order System. Here we can see the zipped files of the project, that is source code, database backup and project documentation. Now let's copy these files into our XAMPP folder. Under XAMPP folder in htdocs, copy these files. Once the files are copied, it must be extracted. Now let's extract the source code. Click on extract here. You can see that the file is being extracting. We can see the source code folder. Now let's extract database backup and project documentation. Under source code, we can see all the PHP codes. In project documentation, all the project reports can be seen. Database backup contains the database online cake order. Let's rename the file source code as online cake order. It is not necessary that we have to rename and execute. We can execute as it is also. Now let's open XAMPP control panel and start Apache server and MySQL server. You can see the status change detected as running for both MySQL and Apache servers. To execute the PHP program, we have to type localhost/online cake order, that is the name of the folder which is in htdocs, which contains the source code. This is how the project online cake order looks like. Now let's import our database. To use MySQL server, we have to type as localhost/php myadmin, and this is the MySQL server. Under database, write the name of the database, that is online cake order, and click on create. Once the database name is created, we can import the tables, that is by clicking on import. Clicking on choose file. In XAMPP folder under htdocs, under database backup, we can see the SQL file online cake order. After importing, click on go. This might take some time to load. Now import is successful. We can see the tables, and on clicking on database name, we can see the database structure. It includes 12 tables, and clicking on the table name, we can view the data which is present in the table. So this is how MySQL database server works. Now let's see the project online cake order. This is the home page, and we can see the chat option where the customers can chat with the staff, and under food gallery, and we can also see the various chefs who work, and the contact information can also be seen in the home page. So online cake order, it is a web application developed which enables the customers to order cake through online for home delivery or pick up from shop. As we know that nowadays online orders are increasing, this system is developed for taking orders from customers and to deliver the orders. We can see the cake menu where list of cakes can be viewed, that is cake menus can be viewed. We can see various categories. Under chefs panel, the chefs who work in the company can be viewed, and their designations can also be viewed. Register, here the customer can register by entering their personal details. And in the login panel, customer can log in by mentioning their email ID and password. Feedback panel, where the customers can give their feedbacks. You can also see the staff login panel and the cart. Here all the items added to purchase will be updated. Now we can see there is nothing in the cart. On clicking on click here to log in, the customers can log in and order their orders. Now let's log in as staff. Staff can log in by mentioning the login ID and password. As the staff logs in, the dashboard is available, which includes all the records of the database. Here staff can view how many records are there in the database under various categories. Under profile, in update profile, here admin can change their profile details, and under change password, admin can change the password by mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Under user, in add user, here admin can add the other various users, and under view user, admin can view the users, that is the details of the users, and admin also has the action to edit and delete the user. In settings, under tax settings, here admin can set the tax settings, that is how much tax should be added per order. Under add category, the various categories of cakes can be added. That is by mentioning the category name, note, image of the category must be chosen. So let's add the category, that is vegetarian cakes, and the note as vegetarian cakes for those vegetarian cake lovers. And let's choose the file, that is the image of the cake. Under view category, here all the various categories can be viewed by the admin. Admin also has the action to edit and delete. In pin code, here admin can add the various pin codes, that is the areas for which the order is available. By clicking on submit, the pin code record will be added and admin can also delete. Under items in add cake item, here the cake name can be added by the admin along with the cake name, item description, that is the description about the cake, and must select the category, that is to which category this cake comes under. There are various categories and must select the category name, and the item cost, that is the cost of the cake must be mentioned, and extra cost per kg, that is extra cost also must be mentioned. Under view cake item, here admin can view the various cakes and along with the category names and the cost. On clicking on images, admin can add the image for the cake. Admin can add more than one images for the cake. Admin also has the action to delete and make that image as a default image. Under view, admin can view the cake along with this details, how it is visible to the customer, and the cake cost also can be viewed here. Admin also has the action to edit and delete. Under add promo code, here the admin can add the promo codes, that is if company wants to give any discounts, the promo codes can be added by selecting the promo types, that is whether a flat discount or a percentage discount. Flat discount means here the discount amount should be mentioned and the date, and number of quantity, which means on purchasing how many cakes or how many quantity of cakes the promo code is available or the discount is available. On selecting the type percentage discount, here the discount percentage must be mentioned, not the discount amount. In this case, from the total amount of the cake, the percentage of amount will be deducted. That is, if the cake is of the cost 600, then 30% of the cost is deducted. Under view promo code, here the various added promo codes can be viewed, and admin also has the action to edit and delete the records. Once the admin logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Before placing the order, customer must register. So let's register as customer. Customer must mention their full name, address, mobile number, email ID, password and confirm password. Once the customer registers successfully, they can log in under login panel. Customer can log in by mentioning their email ID and password. Under update profile, in profile, customer can update their profile. In change password, customer can change their password by mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Under cake menu, here customer can view various cake categories. That is, we can view the signature cakes, cake for boys, cake for girls, occasion cakes, photo cakes, special cakes and vegetarian cakes. Customer can click on any category and can view the various cakes and their prices. And we can see add to cart. Once the customer adds the cake into the cart, it is available under cart. And from here, customer can mention the quantity and proceed to checkout. Here we can view the price of the cake and there is a promo code option. On submitting the promo code, we can see that the discount amount is deducted and we can see the price now. Let's enter the delivery details. The customer must enter delivery date, delivery time and the message should be written on the cake and can also include any note if necessary. Then the delivery address must be mentioned, that is by entering the recipient name, recipient mobile number, delivery address and the PIN code. Customer must enter the PIN code to which the delivery is available. After entering the delivery details, payment details must be made. There is two types, card payment and cash on delivery. On selecting card payment, the card details must be mentioned, that is the card type, card holder name, card number, the expiry date of the card and the CVV number. Once the payment is made, the order is confirmed and customer can view the billing report. It includes the delivery address and the billing address and the bill number with the details of the amount paid. Customer can also print this bill. Now let's log in as staff in incognito window. Let's log in as staff. In staff, under report in today's orders, staff can view the various orders from various customers. Now we can see the orders which we made just now from the customer Nitya, and on clicking on more, the billing details of the customer can be viewed. And the delivery date and time also can be viewed. On clicking on the delivered, the item will be delivered to the customer. Admin confirms that the item is delivered. Under reports, in billing report, admin can view the various billing details of various customers. Admin also has the action more, in which the bill can be viewed by the customer. And under purchase report, the various purchases can be viewed by the admin. Under delivery report, all the delivered orders can be viewed with the billing record. Under view customers, here various customer details are stored. Admin can also send the promo code to those customers, and admin also has the action to edit or delete the customer details. Let's see under customer, under billing. Now we can see that the item is delivered. The status shows that the item is delivered. Under clicking on more, we can view the billing details of the order made by the customer. Customers can communicate with the staff from the chat with their agent option. Here the customers can send their messages to the staff. Here Nitya sent hello to the staff. Under staff, in messages, under inbox, here the staff can view the messages from various customers, and staff can reply to the message from the customers. We can view the message from Nitya as hello, and staff can reply to the message. Here staff send the message as how can I help you? We can see that the message from staff is delivered to the customer. Under customer, now customer can view the reply from the staff. There's one more option, that is customized order panel. Here the customer can mention the item title, order details, and the files can be chosen, that is the images can be chosen. Order item title, it means here the customer can mention what type of cake they require. Here the customer mentions chocolate 3-layer cake. And under order details, the customer mentions as wedding cake, and customer can select the image which says that customer needs the particular design of cake, and on clicking on add to customized order, the order will be sent to the staff, and customer must wait for the reply from staff. Under staff, we can see that the customer received, and there is an option called accept and cancel. On clicking on accept, the staff must mention the cost details for that particular cake. That is, the item cost must be mentioned, and the additional cost also must be mentioned. On clicking on update, the details will be sent to the customer, and customer will also have the option to place the order. Here we can see under staff, the message from staff is sent as click here to place order along with the details of the cake and the cost of the cake. Customer can view these details under chat option and has the link click here to place order. On clicking on click here to place order, customer gets the cake order option and can add the cake into the cart. Once the customer adds the cake into the cart, they can mention the quantity and then proceed to checkout. Then the customer must mention the delivery details, the delivery date, time, and the message to be written on the cake. And the delivery address also must be mentioned with the recipient name, recipient mobile number, and the address, that is where the cake must be delivered, and the pin code, that is here the pin code should be the available delivery address, that is where the cake can be delivered. And then the payment details. For the card payment, card details must be mentioned, that is the card name, cardholder's name, card number, CVV. Once the order is placed, customer can view the billing details. Under today's report in staff can view the order details, and on clicking on delivered, the cake will be delivered to the customer. Under delivery report, staff can view the delivered status of the cake. Under customer, under billing, here the customer can view the delivered status. And under customized orders, here customer can view the customized order details. On clicking on view, customer can view the billing details along with the customized order details, and the image of the cake can also be viewed. This is all about the project online cake order. For further details, kindly visit our website.